In this video, I'm going to show you how to set WhatsApp messages to automatically delete after some period of time. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up WhatsApp app and then hit at the bottom right on Settings. Next, there hit Add Account, then Privacy, and here hit on Default Message Timer. By default, this option is set to off and you can change it to 24 hours, 7 days or 90 days. That option works just for new chats, and when it's enabled, all new individual chats will start with disappearing messages set to the selected duration. This setting will not affect your existing chats. And that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.